Suman, am I audible?
Yeah, yes, sir, yes, sir.
Let me share my screen. Give me one quick confirmation. Is my screen is visible to you?
Yes, yes, video.
Okay, thanks. So today, uh, today we'll do one assessment, coding assessment, very short, and then we'll move with the project work. So that assessment which you need to perform is what? Basically, you need to define one class. In that class, you need to wait. I am giving you this one. So let me give you one scenario over here. At this point, I am making one theory. For theory, I am making one file. Theory. In that assessment, I am giving you like assignment what you need to perform over here. This is basically related with that collection framework. In that case, what you need to do, you need to create one map map in collection which must have to be what? Generic in type must contain what? Integer string. In this integer and string, what you need to keep, you need to carry in place of integer, you need to carry what? Index 1 and a string value, what you need to keep over here? January. 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 Then 2.
Month of it.
Yes, February. February. Similarly, what you need to keep? 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, up to dot 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 dot, and over here how much? 12. 12 for December. Is that correct? Now what you need to define over here? After you need to like generate this one, you need to generate this one by taking input from user. Clear? Whenever you need to take input from user, but both you need to take input, right? Which one? That index and string value, both you need to take, right? In case when you will be getting indexed value, at that point of time you need to check what? Whether indexed is less than less than 1, and indexed is greater than 12. Then print one message. Print
No,
one message.
greater than sir 0 and less than 12, then it will be 1, 2, 3, 4 like that.
What?
I have to get that in index like 1, 2, 3, 4 up to 12.
No, index it means what? Wait, I'm talking about. Index means this one. This is what? Key and value, right? So so instead of index you make it key.
Okay, it would be 1 to 12.
Yes, 1 to 12 means 1 for January and 12 for December. Suppose key is less than 1 or key is greater than 12. It means what? Invalid key, right? Invalid key, because 0 there is no any month name, right? More than 12 means what? 13, 14, 15. Is there any
No.
month which is having 14 and 15 and 13? No, right? 12 is December last and 1 is for January, right? And accordingly, whenever you will take this one value, corresponding you need to assign which one? January, 2 for February, 3 for March, 4 for April. Can you do that? Try it out. After holding this one, you need to define one method, and using that method you need to print. While printing, you need to use cursor, use cursor to display map elements. That's it.
Which cursor to display?
Try it out if you can do it.
Sir,
And
use cursor means
hmm?
use cursor means.
Cursor I have already explained you, right?
Yeah, I think I forget this thing.
So we should not forget, right? Because collection framework is much important throughout your Java journey, very much important. Cursor it means what? Do you know? Have you remember that iterator, list iterator, and
Mm-hmm.
enumerator?
Mm-hmm.
Those are nothing but cursor only, right? Which one is that universal cursor? Universal cursor is which one? Iterator. Then we are having list iterator, we are having enumerator we are using for which one? That legacy classes, isn't it? So we had already a good discussions on that cursors in details. If you are not remember, you can read it in your upcoming days and time. So your time starts now, and at 10 o'clock we'll close this which one, that coding part.
Okay.
So try to do it. Suppose if you will get failed to validate it over here, then simply you can declare map, and inside that map you can assign that value 1 for January, 2 for February, and like that you can add it, and accordingly you can use cursor to print it. But first you try it out whether by taking user input you can do it or not. If you can do it, then well and good. If you can't do it by taking input from user, then you write hard coded value and then you print it using cursor. Both options are available. So
I'm
first
trying
option
to.
you must,
Yeah, I
yeah,
am
first
trying.
option you should go with that hard coded, because that is very easy, and once you will finish it, then you should go with that taking input from user. That is very little bit complex.
Mm-hmm.
So even you will not complete then that user input, then still you have already finished your assessment, isn't it? So go with first hard coded value, and then you go with that user input. Do it out. Do you have any issue in this?
No, no, sir.
Okay,
I'm fine.
then start. Share your screen and start working. Let me stop my share. Yes, Shanu, you also have to do it. Do it fast. Share your screen and do it fast. At 10 o'clock you all have to stop.
Okay.
Who is Shanu? Why you are not speaking? Tell me. Can you share your screen and start working on that assessment?
Yes, sir.
Assessment, have you gone with that assessment what I have shared?
Okay, sir.
No, have you understood that what I have asked to complete?
Hello.
Yeah, tell me.
Sir, complete, sir. Complete, sir.
Okay, then go ahead. In that chat box I have shared that assessment code also, assessment theory. Just you go through with that. You need to perform that using map. So in that map, what are those implemented class? You use that one, and accordingly store that value of a month and their corresponding code, 1 for January, 2 for February, like that, 12 for December, and after that use cursor to display map values with key and values, 1 for January, 2 for February, like that. Print it out. Start sharing your screen, Sanu. Your screen is not visible, and start working. At 10 o'clock you need to stop, everyone. Shuman, what you are doing actually within one class only you need to perform all, right? Method you can take it to initialize or to display, but within one class only keep the name of that method class, that map manipulations or map manipulations, or collection assessment, any name you can take of your class, and inside that only you need to what are those implemented class for that map interface? Have you remember those or not? If not remember, then you can use a hash map, right? So remove it out and create one another class. Do it first. I should not help you anymore, right? Let me to do you let me allow you to do by yourself how you are going to do. Suman, Suman, can you speak?
Yeah, yes, sir. Hello. Sorry, I think my mic is on, my mic,
Gen,
not my phone is on.
gen, Generic class is of what type? Class only,
Mm-hmm.
right? But map is what? An interface,
Mm-hmm.
right? So I talked about that using map you need to perform all of these, right?
Okay.
So it is going wrong way, right?
Mm-hmm.
Do it by yourself. Don't take any help from any internet or anything, such that I will get to know how much you know and what I need to explain you.
Yeah, I think that map, okay. One is string and one is integer. Integer.
As a code I have shared in that chat box, you can take the reference from that how you need to define.
Okay, now I think it's correct now. I got that correct method. If I take user input, Sir, is that right?
No, whole you need to store
Okay,
na,
okay. One by
complete
one.
January to December, but the input you are taking in wrong way. The declaration of your map generic is wrong way. Integer is first, then string is there,
Okay,
right?
okay.
12 minutes more remaining.
Mhm. Let's see. Yes. 18. Okay, that's correct. One. Yeah, 15 line. Okay. Cut. Number name, okay. Number, okay, number. Number. Sir, I think it's now correct, na?
Yes. Yes, that's correct. So if you try to give that wrong input, what is the output it is giving? Try to give that wrong input, wrong key value, like beyond that 1 or 2 or 12,
First I give that 0.
like
Invalid.
yes,
Invalid, please enter number between 1 to
yes,
12. Okay, if I
yes,
give 13, it's invalid.
that's correct, very correct. You can copy it and paste it in the group, that's it.
Done.
Yes,
Can I stop?
you can stop sharing. Yes. What about Sanu?
He
Oh, he
left.
has left it. See, but he, if we'll stop the training, he will
Yeah.
ask. He will ask definitely. He is there and Anirban is there. But when we'll start,
Not
both
there.
will not join. Okay. So, okay. So, let us continue with that our session that which we have uh, completed so far. So I hope my screen is now visible
Yeah,
to
yeah,
you.
visible.
Let us, yeah. So this is what we have already done so far. Today I have finished it out, and now it is working very correctly. So today very less I will show you that complete front end, how it is working and what is going inside. This is complete which I have completed, and next day and onwards I will show you that the next backend code also. But let us show
Once
you that
you have to
complete
check my
functionality how
Spring
it
Boot
is.
is installed or not. I installed, but I think it's connected or not. I don't.
Which
Spring,
one?
Spring, Spring,
Which
Spring,
one?
STS, that STS. In my, yeah,
STS, Spring
yeah,
Steel
yeah,
Tool
in
Suit.
my,
Okay, go ahead then. This share your.
in that, I have to go help and Eclipse Marketplace.
Yes.
And over here, I have to search.
Wait for a minute.
I think my Eclipse versions are not. mm,
No, no, it will support. Wait, don't worry. Wait for a second. Yeah, now type inside Spring Tools. Spring space Tools.
Tools.
TOOLS. Yes, done.
Okay,
Hit
Spring
enter.
Tools only.
Hmm.
Yeah, this one. This one.
Yeah, go down. No, no, no. Yeah, this one.
This one.
Install. Yes, click on install. I hope you have
Yeah, I
not
tried.
tried,
I think it not
isn't it?
installed.
No, 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 no. Actually, I have already given that
Mm-hmm.
complete link over there. Complete step by step. They have
Yeah,
shown
I
that
think
how
I
to
not installed because
install all. Confirm. Select, select, select first one. Uh, yeah, confirm.
they are giving some other values here. That's why I cancel it.
So everything is there had already explained except
And finish.
finish. Yes. Click on that green button downside where it is installing downside. Yeah, click on that. Green, yes, it will show you that downloading.
In that link, they are giving like more much.
Yeah, so select all now. Select all. Oh, this one, select all. Yeah, and
It's
then
selected.
trust selected. Downside, down. Trust selected. Yes, click on. And wait, if other it will give, then accordingly you have to select. Why not you are using this uh, like their theme as a white
Because
color?
I like the dark always. My
Okay.
all software theme is
Okay.
dark.
Okay, no issue. But you should have you should must have to have that habit on that each environment, like otherwise suppose somewhere somebody will ask you to work on this system. In that case, will you be asking that no, change this one or this one? No, you should be having that practice on each. So is there any other can you check, is there any other options
No, no, no.
windows is coming?
Yeah,
Only one, na? One only. Okay, it will take time, don't worry.
you let it install.
Yes, it will take time.
Yeah, I checked it. Am I stop and you can continue the session? Mm.
Suman, your mic and video is off,
Yeah,
then
in
how
my
you are
desktop
speaking?
there is no mic and video camera. I am talking
Okay,
with
okay, so
phone,
you have
mobile phone.
okay, 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 great.
No,
Do
no,
you
no.
have
I have
laptop or
only text.
desktop only? Okay, okay. How
8
much
GB.
RAM do you have? 8 GB.
Same.
Yes, select. Select all and trust selected. Yes.
Start now.
Restart. Yes. All done. Wait for a moment and let it to be started. Go to your desktop on that file explorer is open now. File explorer. Yes. And on this PC,
Okay.
right click.
Yeah.
Properties. See the RAM. How
8
much it is
GB.
having?
8 GB RAM and 5
8
GB
Core i5. Then you are having good
configuration. I
configuration
build
then.
it
Okay.
at my home for first time.
Graphics card 4 graphics card 4 GB. That's good. Close this.
I made it at my own
You are
and
having
in
good
very
system.
first time.
Close this.
Then when I build it, na, I did not know about computers. Since I did not know anything.
Now see Spring Boot came. See,
Yeah, yeah.
go top and see the symbol. Came now?
Yes.
Yes. Go ahead. Stop your sharing.
Yeah. Yes.
Yeah. So just you see that project got started, and let me show you that front end part. We'll go with that back end later on. So is my
Yes.
screen visual? Yeah, see, so this is that complete project which I have completed on it, and I work on this for footer also. So now it is in that good positions. So this is on home page which we are having. This is home, and this is home. On this is Carousel only, Carousel. So we are having see three different pictures over here on that desktop. So it is not showing anything, but when first we'll have to register or login. Suppose you have already registered, then you should only log in over here, right? So for that login, you have to give that credential. Suppose you don't have any credentials, so first you need to register yourself, so that you will have that credential and you can log in over here. So one background symbol I have given, and this is which one, that footer, and this on this card I have shown this one. On that container I have shown this card. On that card I have shown that form, registration form. So let me make it over here. I hope it is already available. Not available, then let me make it @gmail.com 1234, and about, that's it. Register. After registrations, it will give one quick confirmations on that front end only. So this is my email ID and 1234, that is the password, isn't it? Still it is running in the background. That is the reason we have shifted to which one, on that Spring Boot and microservices. Due to this take
Sir,
too much
microservice
time
is
taking
that advanced
this
version
Java
of Spring
project.
Boot, or this is another?
No, Spring Boot only, but microservice is giving one standard way to organize that Spring Boot application. That's it. Now see, after taking that much time, still it is showing that what, some no any yeah, user registered successfully, right? If user has registered successfully, then we need to log in, right? So we'll come on that login button, and on this login button we'll have to assign that login credentials. Clear? So that login credential is this one, and 1 2 3 4 is the password. After, if login will get successful, then you can see that more options will come. The user which got registered, for them we are allowing that to track, to maintain their what is it is telling. Two results were returned. Okay, so I hope that in that backend already what is available. So let us go with that to first. In case of this one, Hibernate. Okay, where is that? Hibernate config.
Yeah, in that DB call.
This is the expense user DB config Hibernate configuration. Inside that Hibernate configuration, we are having which one? And database name. Let us take this database name and see. For the same, we will be having which one, that MySQL minus u root hyphen p, give that password, then use database, then sort tables, select a star from user. So yeah, we are having two already with the same name, same password. So then we'll go with that Mithun, and let me drop it from over here. Delete from user where id equal to what, 4. That's it, done. And so let us go back once again, go back, give this password once again over here. One, two, three, four. Let us log in. Now who got logged in, their name is available over here, right? And this is one logout button. This logout button is working. Now we can see that user got logged in over here, and this is one user page profile, and this is footer. This is what user page over here we can see, and this is what on that header sections or navbar we are having. Once user successfully will get logged in, then only we are allowing user to add expense, to view expense. User can now add their expense. Suppose you are the user and you got logged in. Now you can keep track of your expenses. Means you can now you are eligible to maintain your expenses, isn't it? So in that case, once you will click on that expense button over here, that one expense page will come, right? On this you can write over here title, price, description, date, time, and you can save your expenses. Suppose you went in the market and you have purchased what, you have purchased something, so any product name, no, monitor LED, and price was 17,200, and descriptions, purchased monitor LED, to carry, deliver, digitally. When did purchase this one? So today's date we can take it out. 5th, and timing was how much? Suppose in the morning, like not morning, yes, in the early morning, 11 o'clock, I have purchased this one. Suppose that 11 o'clock, and save it. Once it will get saved, so it is giving one message over here, expense saved successfully, right? If it got saved, then we must have to see that the user which got logged in over here, how much expenses they have maintained so far. So if we'll see, if we wish to see, we can click, we must have to click on that view expenses. Once we'll click on that view expenses, the user who got logged in right now, whatever their expenses they have maintained so far, those are available over here. So this is what that user has made like user has user has like spent their money on this product. Which product? Product name is which one? Hand watch analog and monitor LED. Right now they had purchased, right? So this is which one? Description. This is also descriptions, and this is which one? Price. This is the date. This is today's date, and this is the date on which the date that this user has purchased this hand watch, at the which time, this time, and username is this one. Over here we are having what? Edit and delete button also, right? So on the edit and delete button, both are working. Suppose if you are clicking on edit page will get open with the same all these values. Now this is not editable, read only. Now title is hand watch analog, 1350, 1350 rupees is there, but I am trying to update it. So suppose it was of 1950 rupees. Description is this one, and date is what? 23/4. So let me make it 23 of 10 and 2025. At which time? So at 11, or not 11, at 1 o'clock, 12, this 13, and 13:30. So around 1:30 p.m. I have purchased this one. It didn't got set. Wait. So 13, and this one, which one? 30. Done. Then update it. We can see this one. 1950 message is what? Expense updated successfully, and this update button is working. Once we'll click on delete button, this will get deleted. So let me click on this delete. It will give us the message also, and we can see on this one, this page, see, expense deleted successfully, and which one is available? This one is available, right? So for this user, right, suppose this is the user. If you wish, you can log out from here. You will be going which one? On that login button of home page, right? Now you wish to join with another user, so user can, we can have you different users, right? So at this we are having this user Mithun. So using this Mithun, I am trying to log in. So Mithun at the rate 123, right? So over here email ID will give Mithun at the rate MITHUN Mithun at the rate 123. So I'm logging over here. Now you can get that the user which is getting logged in over here, their name we are keeping over here, right? And logout button is there. Now I want to check the user who got logged in, what is their expense track. We'll click over here. That user has not maintained their expense yet, but if that user will maintain their expense, suppose let it be what Nokia Android, price is what? 12,999. Descriptions, phone, date, we can use any like June 2 2025, and timing we can give it over here, like which time, suppose at 5 p.m. 5:10, have purchased this one, right? So let me save it. Now if we, after saving this, we will get that message saved already successfully. If we'll go on that view button, we can see that what is that product is been purchased, and on that how much they have spent their prices, when at which date it's been purchased, that product, what was the time, and the user, who was the user name, what is the username who has purchased this expense, and product, what is the product name. Along with that, here we are allowing them edit and delete button also. User can edit and delete also. So edit will also work and delete will also work. So this is for that complete project, and it is completely working in. And once that user will get logged out, these options will not be available, add or view. In this case, on this home button, it is having that home button of user, it is not having the home button of that previous one. Still user is logged in over here. Once we'll click on this logout button, this image also will go away. Now we are at home, and this is different home, right? So this is our complete project, and complete it is working. It is having secure also. Security means that from here you can't open that add expense and view all expense, no, until and unless you will
So
log
how
in,
it's possible
it
means,
won't be visible over
how
here.
it's
Clear?
normally it will not open then, or other.
Yeah, so in that backend I have maintained the code that I have restricted that if user will try to access that one, that will not visible, and it will, we will get back to that our home page. That's it. So which one is over here? We are having that we are having in that front end, we are having which one? Suppose we are having that view expense or add expenses, right, in that user sections. So this is in our user sections, and we are having which one? View expense and add expense. So in this view expense, let me copy this, control C, and it will go on that front end, and it will try to with user has not logged in, right? And without logged in, I am trying to access the page. Which page? View expense details. It will try to log in, it will pull us up to that where home page itself.
Okay, it's
Means not
I
allowed
think
over here, isn't
it
it?
will normally work, or
Until
you have to write some special code for that.
now code we have to write a special code, because whenever the user will try to access that page of view or add expenses, at that point of that time I have forwarded response dot send redirect. I have redirected to that login page.
You
Means
check
what?
for
Until
login.
and unless user will login,
You
can't
check for
access
login.
page,
If
right?
that user is login, then
Yes.
it will forward.
So
Otherwise,
this,
it will not response.
yes, so this is complete application for that expense tracker, and this expense that user is tracking not on that piece of paper. It is basically saving on that our database completely, and it will keep on save mode until and unless we'll manually delete it. So that's all for the today. We'll meet in the next session, and we'll continue with that our backend. Thank you
Sir,
so much.
once you share that whole project,
Questions and explanations we'll share with you all. Thank you. And we'll share with you only the one who is attending the session. Those only will get that opportunity to get the code. I am not going to share with all, because I am putting much effort on this project. No one is joining, so without joining, resources should
yeah,
not be shared with you all, right? So since you are joining separately in your inbox, I will
sir,
be sharing with you.
my
That's
some
it.
friends are telling me that they want to join with the class. Uh, can I tell to
So first you give my contact WhatsApp number to them, and let them to connect me over WhatsApp. Let me have their resume, let me have their introduction, and then accordingly I will allow them to
Okay.
connect with us. So you can share my WhatsApp number and we'll
Yeah, thank you,
continue.
sir.
Thanks, Suman.
Sure,
Then
sir. Thank
closing
you,
this
sir.
call, we'll meet in the next session.
Yeah, good night. Thank you.
Good night.